Now, listen up. I'm going to tell you something that big content creators don't tell you. And I'm going to tell you how you can make money off of live videos, even though you are not monetized, right? Even though you feel TikTok is not paying you for live videos. I'm going to show you and tell you, and I'm showing you how to genuinely get engagement, get earnings, get followers, and stuff like that when you go live. But first of all, I want you to click that go live button right over there because that is how you're going to get started. Click the go live button. So, number one, if you are in a country that is eligible for lives, you will be able to get the live button. So if you have enough followers or if you have been engaging, you've been commenting on people's videos, you've been liking people's videos, TikTok will actually allow you to go live earlier than 1000K. So don't feel like you have to reach 1000K. What you want to do is you want to start engaging with other people's content. You want to start chatting in their lives, go to people's lives, chat on their lives, and genuine engagement is what TikTok is looking for. Be genuine, talk back as if you're talking to a friend, and you'll see your followers grow. Now, another thing is that if you live in a country where TikTok is not giving you money and you're just getting coins. So you can get coins, and when you get coins, you can use it on other people's lives to buy them roses, buy them gifts. But I'm sure that you're like saying, wait a minute, but I want money. I want to get this money. Now I'm going to tell you what to do. Even though you are in a country that doesn't allow, is not eligible for creator rewards program and all those funded programs incentive on TikTok, you can still earn by having earners genuine engagement. So what are you going to do? You're going to create a live. Let's give an example of somebody who is a musician and they live in a country like Nigeria where, it's not monetized, right? How are you going to make money off of your life? So you're a songwriter, you're a musician. What you're going to do is that when you go live, you're going to play your music and then you're going to tell people that they should engage with you in the comment area, thereby boosting your live and showing it out to more people. You're going to tell people to share your live. You're going to tell people to comment, and you're going to tell people to tap on the screen to like your live. Another thing you can do is that if you have a method of payment, be it PP or cash, whatever, you're going to put that on the screen. So you can tell people as a musician, you can say, I'm going to play you, if you want me to play you a song, write you your own particular specific song, or write a song for your girlfriend or boyfriend. Here, only $5. Here, only whatever. They pay you, you write the song, you start a business, right? So from your lives, you can start a business. Also, if you're someone that you're an entrepreneur and you come on TikTok, go live, show your stuff. So if you're someone that you're like an entrepreneur and you sell bottles like this, you can tell people, go, this is my bottle, go to my bio, go to my website, you can buy from there. Thereby, you have customers, you go live. It is not only until TikTok gives you money do you make money on this app. Many people are making money. Many people are building their businesses. Many people are growing their businesses by being on this live and using their own website to push out the earnings. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go to your bio, you're going to add your website to your bio, how people can contact you, how people can fund you, and then you're going to go live. You're not only going to go live one time, you're going to go live multiple times. You're going to go live at specific times regularly. So if you're someone that the people that shop with you are people from your country, go live when people are mostly active on your country. In your country, there's a way you can go to your analytics and see when people are actively watching you. If you like this and you want me to show you more tips, remember, use the go live button, and please follow me. I drop a lot of information, and guess what, I'll see you in the next live. Take care. Bye.